Our consciousness is supremely odd, like extremely odd. Look around you. You see physical objects everywhere. They're not conscious, they just are. Whereas you're capable of perceiving things, you're capable of being aware. Now you're a physical object too, an alive one, but you're also aware of the world. You are physical matter, awakened. The primary question in philosophy of mind, the question of the soul, the question of perception, is how does consciousness arise at all? In this lecture, we're going to look at one of the two main answers to the question of consciousness. There are two answers. One is dualism, the belief that we have a soul, a non-physical soul and a physical body. The other is materialism, the idea that we're just a physical body. In this lecture, we're going to look at the answer that is dualism. So there are two kinds of dualism. There's substance dualism and property dualism. Substance dualism says that the mind is a completely different thing to the brain, that it is a distinct soul. Whereas property dualism says that really there is only the brain which emits kind of properties of it that are non-physical, mental things.